Hey guys, this is a quick video about the Teenage Engineering OP-1. I've had this for a while, and every now and then I run into a problem. Even though I love this thing, sometimes I'll go like a month or two without using it, and then when I go back to use it, it just won't turn on. And even if you charge it all night or charge it for a week, no matter what happens, it just won't turn on. You go to turn it on, nothing happens. There's only one thing that does happen is that you'll hear a little sound from here. If that happens, you're probably in good shape. I've gone on to all kinds of websites and they give tips like charge it for at least 24 hours and then pull the plug out for a few seconds and then put it back in and then turn it on and all this kind of stuff. And none of it seemed to work for me, and I was getting pretty frustrated the first time this happened. But I have found something that works for me every time, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what that is. So the first thing you want to do is charge it up and make sure there is a charge in it. Even though it won't turn on, there will be a charge in the battery. And the next thing you want to do is you turn it on while holding the COM button. And you'll get this menu. And in this menu, some other people have also suggested just do a factory reset and it should work, but that doesn't work in my case. I've already tried that this time and multiple other times, and it just doesn't work. You also get format drive, upload firmware, and function test. For me, the thing that works every time is to upload a new firmware, and so I'll show you how to do that real quick. On your computer, you're going to want to go to the Teenage Engineering website, which is teenage.engineering. And on the website, under support here, you'll see downloads. Go there. And then on the downloads page, you'll see the first area is OS updates. And the first one here right now is the OP-1 OS number 243. Go to downloads. And here you'll see the update features and things like that. We just got a new update yesterday, 7/14/2021. Added USB audio device in and out, which is sweet. Just go here, click to download, and save that wherever you want. I have it saved on my desktop. It's right there. Now, in order to get the OP-1 to show up on your computer, it won't just show up if you just plug it in and turn it on. You're going to have to hit COM, turn it on, get that boot menu. And then the first option is upload firmware. And if you hit 1, then it goes to connect OP-1 to computer using USB cable, and then it will show up on your computer. So now I've connected it to the computer, and you get this little menu here telling you what to do. So I'm going to do that right now. So now I have the OP-1 connected to my computer through the USB cable, and I booted hitting COM and then hit a firmware upload on the OP-1. So now the OP-1 is visible on the desktop. Just drag this firmware update into the OP-1, let it copy. Done. And eject. So now on the OP-1, you get this new thing. It says found firmware package calculating CRC-32. And it starts doing this automatically. I didn't have to press anything after dragging it in and ejecting it from the computer. So it looks like it's doing it itself. Now it says firmware written, done, please restart your OP-1. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to unplug my OP-1 from the computer, turn it on. There we go. Now it'll write some folders because the drive has been formatted when you install the new firmware update. That's something to keep in mind, is that when you do a firmware update, you will lose all samples or anything that you had on the OP-1 before. So hopefully you had that backed up before, because now you're basically reset to factory settings, and everything that you had saved on the OP-1 will not be there anymore. You'll just have a fresh factory reset OP-1, but it will work. And you'll be able to use it until the next time it goes a couple of months without getting a charge and won't turn on, and you can use the same method every time to get it working again. So there you go, guys. That's how to get your OP-1 working if it's having the same problem as mine, just losing a charge for a long time. Charge it for a while, and then do a firmware update from the Teenage Engineering website, and you will have a fully functional OP-1. Thanks a lot. See ya.